When does the future start?
I don't know. Now?
How about that?
Oh, today.
I think the future has already started.
No. Anytime. I don't know. Tomorrow, the day after, I don't know.
When people choose to make a difference for themselves and for the community.
Straight away. I'd say.
Today.
The future starts now. I hope it's bloody started for me. The future. I don't know what to say to that actually. When's the future start? It's a funny question. My future started.
Today. I just take each day as it comes.
The future's already started. If you look in now, all the industry that's opened, the closing of the mine, so the values have definitely moved on.